Hello! Today's random task, fitting new leaf springs on this Hilux because one of them's broken. We bought the full kit because 9 times out of 10 you're going to be cutting these off anyway, so I'd highly recommend buying new ones and then save yourself the time of, well, getting halfway through a job, realise you can't get them off, and then having to buy new ones anyway. Stage 1, using the combination of rack jacks, we'll lift this up in the air, put it in axle stands and get the old ones off. Right, stage 1 is I'm going to lift this up in the air so I can put an axle stand under the chassis, surprisingly. Also so we can get the wheels off. Would you be dear and chalk up the front wheels? So there, and then bring it back down until it's resting on the axle stand itself.
Is this where your brake discs should come in handy?
Brake discs? Ah, brake chalk mod.
Aye.
And then I'm just going to put that there and blow it back up for safety. Right. And then remove the wheel. But now, because of the enormous suspension travel of this pickup truck, jacking up requires 2 stages. So we'll jack. We've got the body lifted. Now we'll lift the axle. Don't want to lift it there, doesn't matter. We'll lift it under the. That's right. Let's just bring it back down a second. And because I need in there, obviously, because there's and there, and then I'll lift it under the. Right, that gets the tyre off the ground, has it? Can you see daylight? Well, I can see daylight. Right, tyre off the ground, that's up, that's in the air. Everything's nice and safe. Okay, next I'm going to do the U-bolts. It's a 19 on this, and as soon as my assistant brings a hammer, thanks. 19. Hammer your socket through all the rust. Mjolnir. And maximum attack. And are we up high enough? Only just. And if you're really lucky, the nuts will come off. Ah, that's hot. It's really hot. Where are my gloves? Repeat for all the bolts. Well, we were mostly successful with the undoing, but now we'll just go straight to the grinder because it's a pain in the arse. Is it gonna rain? Seems like it. Just have to tack that with a hammer and I'll pop them off. So you can leave your shock absorber attached to this bottom plate because it doesn't really need to come out. I can absolutely just stay here and hover. 12mm bolt to get this hanging off of that, and then we're just onto the 2 ends of the leaf spring. Nice. So for this one up in here, we've got a 19 socket on the outside. You see that? 19 socket, and you'll need a 19 spanner for the inside nut. And we're going to heat it up a bit using science, using the old magical wand here. I think I'm over the nut. Well, I can hear it heating up. I can see smoke. Okay, plenty of fire. And then we'll rattle it. Or not. Oh, you got the outside end as well. Woo. Too much bend. Give the inside one another wee jag. There we go. Nice. Right, careful, they'll be hot. Right, another 219s for this back hanger. Like that. Oh, small assistance. Need to make noise to get the car fixed. Hello. What we done? Who? So, with the spring removed, I suggest cleaning and greasing all the points of contact where it's going to make, and then hump your new spring into place. Right, chief humper, point it in the general direction. Have you got it right round?
Yes.
Yes, it's a good start. Front towards enemy. Okay. So the end of this nut bolt thing assembly holds all springs together. Has an appropriate hole under there. You can't see it, but that will fit into it. If it doesn't fit into it, well, you'll really know it doesn't. And then we've just got to get these two holes to line up so you can put the bolt in. Right, we'll do that. So these two holes need to line up, but this axle, not the axle. This bit. What do you call this bit? Anyone?
Leaf spring?
No, why is the name has totally lost me. Differential, thank you, there we go. So the rear differentials have alignment, so if you use a ratchet strap, not putting a lot of tension, you can pull the ratchet strap. Right, assistant, give us one click. I need to come up a bit, but right, was that one? Right, another one. Okay, hold it there. Hold it there. Let me put my thing in. Hold that there. Right, let's come up a tad. Right, to you again. Yeah, hold it there. Right, another little one. And there she goes. That'll be chap, and that'll be straight in, and then nut and bolt on the other side. So, you need one of these yellow bits, one of these on the end of your top one, and poke that through the hole, and you need to poke it through the spring at the same time. Using a clamp of some variety, This one's, it's okay. It's not great, but it mostly works. We've got new rear hanger in, the other end's bolted up, and we're about to put, once the cars have all fucked off. Right, that should have a bump stop on it, but it fell off, so we'll stick it back on at some point, and then we put the new bolts in through the rust in the hanger that's still attached. Not the hanger, the base plate. Can't see the other side. A little tappy tap tap. Tappy tap tap. New nuts and bolts, nuts in the bottom, nuts and washers. That's a. Appear to be unable to start things today. What the fuck am I doing today? It's good, that's the rain starting. Ideal. Who doesn't like doing things in the rain? And then we'll get the gun out, go around all these in a circular pattern, and then torque them up. Is this up high enough? No. Please apply upwards air. That'll do it. Right, torque wrench. So, one thing I saw said 123 pounds, no Newton meters. Other one said 120, so fuck, I can't remember what the thing doing. It's 120 I've said it to, which is pretty tight. I've done this one. Yes, one more. Last one. That's it. All torqued up. Right, once you've got all your bolts tightened down, put your grease fittings in and grease them up. That's it. Full of grease. Get off. 100 degrees. So much so that it's squeezing out the end. Perfect. Well, there we are. Brand new shiny leaf springs. All fitted. It's not the hardest job in the world, but footery because everything's big and heavy, but totally doable by our average Joe personal self. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.